Welcome to the bikes world. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a cruiser that blends classic styling with modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer looking for a reliable and stylish bike, this latest Shadow 750 might be the perfect ride for you. Timeless design with modern touches. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 continues to embrace the classic cruiser look that riders love, with a low-slung frame, teardrop fuel tank, and plenty of chrome accents. This year's model refines the design with updated LED lighting, a more streamlined rear fender, and new color options that give it a fresh, yet unmistakably vintage appeal. The relaxed riding position, swept-back handlebars, and comfortable seat ensure long rides remain enjoyable. Powerful and efficient V-twin engine. At the heart of the Shadow 750 is its iconic 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Honda has fine-tuned it for 2025, ensuring smooth throttle response and an even better balance of power and efficiency. With a 5-speed transmission and a shaft drive, the bike delivers seamless power delivery and requires minimal maintenance. Whether cruising on highways or winding through city streets, this engine provides a responsive and enjoyable ride. Advanced features for a better ride. Honda has enhanced the Shadow 750 with modern features that make riding more convenient. The bike now includes a new digital analog instrument cluster, providing essential information at a glance while maintaining the classic look. Additionally, a slipper clutch has been introduced to reduce clutch effort and enhance control. The upgraded suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. Comfort and handling. A key strength of the Honda Shadow 750 has always been its easy handling and comfort. Weighing in at around 550 pounds, it remains manageable for riders of all experience levels. The low 25.8-inch seat height makes it accessible for shorter riders while maintaining a relaxed and natural position. The wide, cushioned seat and forward foot controls enhance the overall riding experience, making long-distance cruising a breeze. Safety and braking improvements. For 2025, Honda has upgraded the braking system, offering ABS as a standard feature. The front disc and rear drum brakes work together to provide strong and reliable stopping power. Combined with a well-balanced frame and responsive handling, the Shadow 750 ensures confidence on the road, whether in city traffic or open highways. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 stays true to its roots while incorporating modern improvements that make it more refined and enjoyable. With its reliable engine, comfortable ergonomics, and upgraded features, it remains a top choice for cruiser enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a daily rider or a weekend cruiser, this bike offers a perfect blend of performance, style, and comfort. Thanks for tuning in to the bikes world. Stay with us for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and riding tips. Ride safe and enjoy the road.